Welcome YTPC, Edwin here from Central Texas. It's Saturday. Beautiful. Gifted with a beautiful weather today. This morning, enjoying some café con leche, some cafe latte, some dark coffee with a little bit of milk. I don't put any sugar. I'm avoiding sugars, I should try some honey. I see some of you guys put honey on your coffee. One of these days I'll try that. Believe it or not, I have never done that. And today, what is becoming my Virginia pipe is this beautiful Asikyan pot style little pipe right here with this beautiful rustication. And this is becoming my Virginia type of blend style of pipe for me. Really loving it. Those thick walls, and look at that beautiful finish on that plateau, or I don't know how you call that, but it's a very nice execution by Asikyan pipes of Levant. And today I'm smoking this fancy small batch 4th generation by Peter Stokkebye small batch that they released last week or so, and it's called the Jubilaeums, I think. Jubilaeums Flakes. And it was quite expensive. It was like for 3.5 ounces, like $45 or $46. And I will say, it's not something that I'll be always doing, but once a year I was like, you know what, let me splurge a little bit. Just like when you get those Opus X cigars, right? It's hey, for special occasions, let me spend that $30 for a cigar. And that's what I did with this one. Today, I wanted to check it out and try a little bit of it. But my plan is to jar this up and, just smoke a little bit once start aging better. Let me show you. It comes in these beautiful flakes that I already pressed right there in the jar. But it comes in these flakes right here. And they're very, very nice. You can chew on this. Oh yeah. Very sweet style of smells, like you expect from ripe Virginias, and that's what you get from their description. What they say is, let's see right here. The Flake blend is a tribute to my grandfather, creative mind, blah blah, and it's composed of select ripe Virginias with notes of grass, citrus, and natural sweetness. And I will agree with that. One thing I will say is that it came, let me put this down a little bit, came in this beautiful box, okay, and then you open it and you will have this baggie right here with the tobacco in a Ziploc and all that. So some beautiful presentation, but I will jar it right away, okay, because that's not sealed or anything like that. So I put it in a jar, like you can see right here, and it's some beautiful flakes that you have, okay. And like they say, you get that citrusness, you get some sweetness, I get some of that hay earthiness expected from Virginias. I don't get any tanginess on it. I will say it's a very, at least for me, very mild, very delicate style of blend. So if you start chewing on this a lot, you're going to miss on the flavors, okay? The flavors are going to disappear. So you need to take it really slow with this one. Retrohale, relax, and there you're going to start getting some of that citrusness, getting some of that you know, sweetness from this Virginias. It's a very delicate blend that you need to take it easy. Okay, so don't shoo on this one. Okay, Kirk, don't shoo on this one. And like we know, with Virginias, based on what I read, right, they age really well. And even that this is a great blend for me that I'm really enjoying today, I bet in a few years it's going to be amazing. So, you know, I'm definitely going to be just smoking a few flakes this year of this, and then the rest I'm going to let it age. Now, I got a package yesterday from Zippo, okay, and I got that. They put on their website, like I mentioned before, their Yellow Flame butane lighter inserts. Okay, so I got a couple of this, and you know, just to make a deal on that package and to justify the shipment, right? I also got several bottles of butane fuel and stuff like that, you know. So this week I'm going to start rocking my 1978 Zippo, my birth year, and I put that insert inside. And let me take it out real quick. And like expected, right? Great construction by Zippo USA. Like you can see, beautiful construction. You have your refuel valve right there for that butane, and then this actually is for the flint that you can change just like your normal Zippos. Okay, so be aware of that one. And fit is excellent, like expected. Great action, no question about it. And how it works, right, is that you just do like that, and then you need to keep pressing that button right there, okay, just to keep that flame going. Very consistent flame, no issues with that. And I'm very curious to see how long it will last. You know, normally a Zippo, a normal insert, will last me a week and a half or 2 weeks for me. Probably more of a week and a half when I'm smoking, now that I'm smoking pipes more consistent. And you know, I'm curious how long this will last for me. Okay, one thing I will mention is that with this butane, you don't get that fuel, that Zippo fuel flavor you get sometimes when you're initially lighting your pipe. At least I don't get that with butane, so that's actually a positive. The only thing I will mention with this one is that that button can be a little bit slippery. Okay, so maybe you need some practice with that. You know, I have no issues with it right now after practicing a little bit, but be aware that button is something to get used to and practice with it. Or other than that, consistent flame, great construction by Zippo USA. So I'm pretty happy with it, and you know, I'll report back how long these inserts are being, you know, flaming for me. You know, how long that fuel is been keeping up with me after several weeks, and see how this has been working. But again, pretty happy with it. I got a couple, like you can see, and we'll see. I'll keep using it, and I'll report back. But guys, beautiful morning. Like I mentioned, I will keep enjoying my Jubilaeums, I think that's how you pronounce that. Jubilaeum Flake 4th generation by Peter Stockeby. And you know, I hope your Saturday still going to be great for you, starting for me. So I'm hoping you have a great rest of your day, and I will continue enjoying my Asikyan pie with this beautiful Virginia this morning. You guys have a great day out there. Edwin out.